Hello there and welcome to another Pleasure Beach Experience Icon update. For the first time today I am witnessing Icon testing on 3 trains. So we have one train here, one's just gone out to launch, and there is also one in the station. Now from what we can see from here so far, they are sending it quite quick and the staff are doing restraint check training, I guess that's what you would call it. Also, since the last update, there is quite a bit more theming on the building, so we've got the Icon sort of logo there. Also, they're putting up the letters of Icon here. That'll probably be done by the end of today. And also, there's more theming up on the roof of the building. So, as we can see, there is 2 trains in the station and another one going round the track. Also, this area beneath where the trains go back into the station has all been sanded over. I'm not sure if that's finished. I'm sure there's more work to come down there as well. Since our last update of Icon at the Pleasure Beach, there's now been more fencing installed inside the station. This is where we will enter the station, whether it be by the main queue or speedy pass, and we'll walk along past this barrier and then towards the air gates. And as we can see, the staff are quite quickly doing the restraints, ready for it to launch again, and now here comes another train. And again here we can see where it's going to say Icon. Like I say, I'm sure that'll be finished today. Trying to say, dude?
Probably bring a personal ski fine. Yeah. That was a bad time.
So here we can see behind the fence there has been some new theming added to the area. These red posts have got the names of everyone who's worked on the project of Icon. So the red posts with the Icon logo on have got names on of people who've been involved in the project from the start. There's also been some rock work added to the area. And here comes Icon again.
test of the ride system,
Yeah.
and it's fully working now.
What can I look at it?
Because the
A little bit.
Still just a shell.
Pretty much since the start of the project of Icon project, we have said that this area here will be like the main entrance to the Icon area, and it's very much looking like that will be the case. Now we're just going to have a little bit of another look behind the fence, just some of the rock work and the red posts with the names on. So to finish up today's Icon update, we're going to have a quick look down at the Pleasure Beach Express, which we can see the front car for the Pleasure Beach Express is being used for a bit like a cargo train at the minute for carting stuff on and off the Icon site. Also, I'm not sure how well it'll pick it up because the sunlight is pretty bright. There is also now railings around the Pleasure Beach Express track to stop anyone getting on to the Icon ride area, which is a very good move. Earlier on in the update video we said about new signage going up. It is now up and on the side of the station building. So to draw this Icon update to a close, I'd just like to give a shout out to a couple of people, starting with the guy who spoke to me on the Metro link on the way to Old Trafford the other day. I'm sorry I didn't catch your name, but it was nice to meet you. Also a shout out to all the Pleasure Beach staff who've spoken to us today and said that they enjoy our video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Pleasure Beach Experience video.